YouTube? Welcome back to another video and back to my channel. Yeah, just about to head off to a piece of fucking lemon here, look. About to head off to my third Mustang Gallop, pre-meet down at Midland Muzbuzz. I'm leaving actually early because I got to fill up and grab a coffee and pretty much just chill out and yeah, just wait till everybody rolls in, you know what I mean, just to get some fucking good content. So yeah, you know, it's just looking fucking pretty sweet. Don't forget to follow me on social. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Just Cruising, baby. Anyway, so yeah, so I gave a bit of a polish and stuff like that, and it is fucking windy here, man. But anyway, yeah, so my third Mustang Gallop, the S550, S650 group. So let's get some fuel and head off to the get a coffee and head off to the pre-meet. Peace. Yo, I'm back. So I've arrived. I mean, I've got here pretty early, so that way, like I said, I'm gonna try to capture every single car coming in. But yeah, this is where everyone's meeting up here, the pre-meet, for the third time. This is my third time, you know, going to this Gallop anyway. So yeah, my car's just parked over there, looking all fucking sweet, you know. But yeah, I get a lot of people looking at my car because my car is just a fucking boom. Best. But anyway, I'm gonna go get some coffee down at Muzbuzz. So I'll see everybody soon. Peace.
A few inches later.
Oh, I got my coffee here. Muzbuzz coffee, can you see? So not bad. Not bad at all. But anyway, I'll see everybody soon, and yeah, enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Just Cruising, baby. should have been here earlier today, Big Dave boy. Woohoo!
was here before you.
Yeah, will ya?